the spot is almost ready for the big compost bin to get put there. I have to make it a little bit more level because it has a bottom, so I want it to be straight. This is all that I got from there. I don't know if you can tell, it's probably enough for a 4x4 bed. That's the chicken manure and from my neighbor, and a couple bags of leaves from one of my daycare providers. Great, here comes the bees. I need to hurry up and get done because I don't feel like getting stung today. And this is trash that was in over there because my shed used to go this way and we moved it, and I asked my kid's father to help, and he just put stuff over there and trash apparently. So damn, and my battery's almost out, so I need to stop recording and just get finished.